Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get your own free daily refresh pack for UFC Mobile 2. To do this, open your game. Press this gem button, scroll to the right, like so, press on refresher, and press on the free. And here you'll get one heal, one revive. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, liking and commenting this video.